So my name is Stephanie, and today I'll be presenting my project titled Vending Machine Sales. Meet Tom. He graduated as a data analyst and was excited to use his new skills. However, his company had no openings for a data analyst, so he remained stuck at his data entry job. Now, one day during a meeting with the senior bosses, they looked visibly worried as the company's biggest investor, a vending machine sales company, had given them a timeline to analyze their data and provide a solution. Tom saw this as an opportunity to showcase his analytical skills. So Tom approached his boss and said to him, "Sir, if I can solve this, will I get my promotion?" His boss responded, "Son, if you can help us, yes." Tom diligently gathered all his materials and got to work. He researched the history of vending machines and realized that the first vending machine dispensed holy water. And in the 1880s, the first modern vending machine dispensed stamps. He also analyzed the market's data, including information from the National Automatic Merchandising Association, also known as NAMA. He created a dashboard with key performance indicators and charts to present his findings. He used information such as sales per month to see the monthly sales and sales per location to find out what areas had the highest sales. The focus was actually on 4 sites in central New Jersey, namely Gun Plans, EB Public Library, Brunswick Square Mall, and Earl Asphalt. He also had a sales per category to see what type of materials and items were selling out faster than the others. And there was also sales by product to know what products were selling out faster. Now, during his presentation, Tom highlighted several insights. After carefully analyzing the data, he realized that the location, Gun Plan sales increased 49% in July compared to June. How does he know this is good? This is because the same location in the months of May through June had a decline of an average of 4%. This was the positive insight. He also noticed some negative insights. Now, the data show that sales of carbonated drinks decreased by 28.34% in May compared to June. You'd probably ask how he ascertained this. Well, this is because in the same carbonated drinks from February through April increased by an average of 19% per month. So Tom had a few suggestions. Since data says the EB library had more sales as such, Tom suggested using a prominent site with foot traffic to boost sales, such as libraries, gyms, where there's foot traffic. Second suggestion, the data also says carbonated drinks outstripped non-carbonated drinks by 43%. So Tom's recommendation was more machines with carbonated drinks be placed in various locations as customers prefer this to water. Tom also noticed that from the data, sales consistently increased from February through April before nosediving. So his recommendation is new technologies like additional cashless machines be placed to add to boost sales. And lastly, sales, of course, dipped by 8.05% in August. Such, Tom recommended raising awareness of the numerous machines available in the community to prevent a similar decline in the future. Now, Tom's insightful analysis impressed the senior bosses so much, and he knew he had earned that promotion. His hard work and data-driven recommendations saved the day for the company and earned him that recognition he deserved. Thank you.